Next, one of the things that we want to also talk about is how the state of Nebraska is working to help keep our teammates healthy and safe. We've had a number of questions about some of the things we've done. For example, we've got people working from home. We have people who are on ready to work status. We have got folks that are in our buildings but are socially distancing. And here to describe in more detail the things the state is doing to help keep our teammates healthy and safe is Jason Jackson, who's our Chief Human Resources Officer and our Director for the Department of Administrative Services. So Jason, will you come up and say a few words about what we're doing for our teammates? Thanks.
My pleasure, Governor, and thank you for the opportunity. Under Governor Ricketts' leadership, we directed all of our agencies the first week of March to begin the process of flexing this stay-at-home message while continuing essential services to Nebraskans. The governor directed all of our agency directors to apply their business continuity plans, which fortunately had been in development since the early years of this administration, and to apply, among many tactics, the opportunity for telework and socially distancing in the workplace so that we could continue essential services even while providing for the safety of our teammates and the public. And that's really important. We understand as an administration that as we work through this public health emergency, it's more important than ever that we maintain continuity of essential services to Nebraskans in need. And so those have been our two priorities, is really keeping our teammates safe, keeping the public safe, while also maintaining the continuity of those services. A key strategy has been applying telework and work from home and other distributed work styles, so that we can achieve work from social distancing in the workplace and keep our teammates safe. We estimate that fully 30% of our workforce right now is working from home or otherwise has a distributed work style. And that's really a remarkable operational achievement for state government, that we've been able to achieve that level of alternative work styles and maintain our same level of services to the public. So we feel really good about that. And we're continuing to work to build our capability every day. So we're flexing these new skills and adding to our capabilities and impressing upon all of our leaders that we need to be thinking about getting as much of our team as possible to socially distance in the workplace and think about alternative means of service delivery. One tactic among many is increasing the ability of technology that we're deploying to our teammates. We've received an additional 250 laptops just this week from our Office of the OCIO, and another 750 will be coming next week. And as we continue to ramp up that percentage of our workforce that has distributed work capability and technology and infrastructure, we can continue to achieve these stay-at-home objectives. Among other things we have going in state government is, again, just from a business practice perspective, impressing upon people the need to socially distance in the workplace. Keep 6 feet distance. Change that in-person meeting to a conference call. Do all those things you can, to the extent that we can, while continuing to deliver essential services to maintain distance from our coworkers so that we're not jeopardizing each other of getting sick. We've also, a couple of other affirmative steps that we've taken, directed all of our teammates and leaders, hey, if you're sick, stay home. If somebody in your household is sick, stay home. And we've extended leave benefits to all of our teammates so that if they're in one of those scenarios, they can have the peace of mind of knowing that they have income security, they can do right by themselves and their family and not jeopardize exposing either the public or their coworkers to illness. We're taking steps to increase the janitorial services and cleanliness of all of our facilities, and just overall attempting to practice good business practices around social distancing in the workplace while maintaining a continuity of operations for essential services. And telework is one tactic among many to achieve that. So again, this is a reflection of years of work and leadership on the part of the governor to maintain essential business services even as we encounter unforeseen circumstances such as this pandemic, and prepare ourselves so that we could provide for our teammates' safety as well as that of the public and continue to deliver essential services. So I'm going to hand it back to Governor Ricketts, and if there's any questions, we'll be happy to address them afterwards. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jason. And again, I just want to hit on that last point. We in government, we provide a lot of really important services. It is vital that we continue to provide those even through this health emergency and this pandemic to the people of Nebraska. And that's what we have worked to do, is to be able to provide those services while we're looking out for the health and safety of our teammates, either through teleworking or if in the workplace, making sure we're doing, more around sanitation and cleanliness, doing more around social distancing, keeping that 6-foot distance, all of that. So we must keep our vital services going, and that's what we're doing here in state government, and we're doing it in a way to be able to keep our teammates healthy.